Haba uno unong penyat skol na unong hikai, ulah kata igijing jang babuan ki kena pulih. Leasi amdan manu ban itu, ia kata kejing syakri, hakum kata kapor. Hendrai ki kena ki bela syak hikai, kila ban perto ya kita ki mati wat hadian ru. Ki kena skol kila ban ong bau tau no hikai ulah kata ya kejing jang ki. Ki kena skol barem jang skol Saint Edmunds, hagasi balang jang tayo. Kili shimbanta hakamalid ontep dan buram, ya uno hikai bapau nam, u brother Eric D. Souza, ha ulum jeng tep, jang kabalang Katolik, halat mkra, ha Nongbah Shillong. Ya u brother Eric D. Souza, lajukat ihet dau dasu. Baru ulah klan no agasi ublay jang tayo ko balalet, hakarta kabanyo kusau senem. Ulah dan hapeng kejing ban jang kejing hitam, baru ulah klan no hashanti niwas kebadan hakajela gowa. U brother D. Souza ubri udukot jang ka Congregation Christian Brothers. Ulah sengya ka Providence School, kabari ka school na kabenta ki kena ki bawan na ki longyeng ki badu. Lawan ra ka met jang brother D. Souza, haga si baar jang tayo, bat labo ikani ka met haga chapel jang school Saint Edmunds. Haga bala penlong ka mas bekerpang, daw Archbishop jang ka Shillong Archdiocese, u Most Reverend Victor Lengdo. Haga balay don lang ki Bishop, ki Lengdo sa oblay, ki kena school ki bamenswa, bat ki bamenta jang ka school Saint Edmunds. Haga ni ka mas kerpang lawan manishim bentaru daw menteri rang ba kajela, u Konrad Kongkal Sangma, u badai u samla pulih barem jang u brother di Souza, rengkat bat ki para kelas jang u haga Saint Edmunds School. Udah ni katong ban pen kup bor ki kena ki baduk, dagi sap ki pong ki ban penlong yaki, ban la ban yeng halaki jang ki kejat. U brother di Souza ulai kairu, ya u klor nong ak film ke Bollywood, u Shah Rukh Khan haga Saint Columbus School Delhi. Kajing klat no jang brother di Souza, kada kajing duk ke bakrau, kam tam haba udah ubriau, u belatrai met bat mensim. Haga ban kentio ke pulih putih, bat kam tam ban pelat iki baduk, bagi nyo akalat ban pulih, kenang bakin long ki basyampang. Hadian bala pendap ikalek niam lek rukom, natep dan buram no u brother di Souza, haulum jing tep jaka bala Katolik, halat mkra.
Yeah, his end was not really what we expected, because if you talk about the contribution, his contribution was to the education system, the society, and Meghalaya especially. He spent a lot. He taught in St. Edmund's School, and then I think he, true follower of Edmund Rice, the poor was not left behind. So he left the teaching of St. Edmund's School, and he started a school for the poor children, which is called Providence. And I think he captured the essence of Edmund Rice, who actually taught the street kids and the children who are underprivileged. And then for the next 20 years, he dedicated his life to teaching the poor, And towards the end of his life, last 7 or 8 years, he suffered tremendously. He touched many people's lives. If you just look at it, it's not just St. Edmunds. The Providence children, the teachers, then there's children from Pine Mount, Loreto, Kiddies Corner, He also at some part of the years of his life he spent in the college also. So right across almost 28 years he was in Shillong. So numerous students came through his hands, and each of them was affected in some way or the other, and he made an impact on their lives.
Kajingkala no jong brother Steve di Souza kada kajing do bukra bahaya ka jaiban rijungi kamtam yakini kena sekolah bagikan ke sekolah bagi kot Providence. Ngala benong by brother di Souza don kataka kajing snow by don kambalay ay na mentagi kena ibaduk. Ratib ka Saint Mans ratib yaka kung ka sekolah kabali na mentagi baruspa. Mai par kadi wana kapor by ba kadon kata kajingkala Berengkaman pej na kamtagi kana kiba bambiang kayo kot na takadaw sedang yaka way ka yaka nika school providence. Ngalaro Nongbah kajing sedang jong berada di susai kani school providence. Kadairu kajing pelenti yaki kana jungi kamta makani kajuk pamenta bengi sedang yang kata bengi kot ka kani ka NEP mo ke skill education berada di susah nuru ki pori bomchuala sedang yang kani ke skill education. Pada kebalik ya kata ngatrai ila kena jungi kelayu Nongbah bat ngi kermen bakani ka bai la sedang kadang peteng bat ka kajing du kajing klano jungi ka kajing du bukrano marba idon kam yu nong ya lamu bayu i jengai bu pejingai rei kaju ko poru kajing kla jungi mari la sedon kajing stom ka ba compare ba ti kajing klano jungi ru ka dei kajing ngatrai kajing ku jong blai hi ba inom sya than kita kajing jar jing sta boni slaper thai isimban ni pdiang i kataru kungka ti ke bau blayu pula pengkeren apta jong i tinga ngai scam ba ka ai ke baila sedang kata ka ba khot ke skill education ka ban teng bat ki bai ki school ki bai ki seng reuniam ru ki ban buat ya kani ka nuksa bala bu dai beradi susah nang ba nila ban tai ya kala wei jong ki khana jong i bat ban kan tiu ka yo kot hakaliang ka imlang salang jong i.
Of course, the Christian brothers as a whole have contributed immensely to the education system. And Brother D'Souza was very special. And I've said it many times before also that it was not just education and teaching, but he was more of a friend. He was very much involved in the overall character building of an individual. Simple, traits like discipline and humility are some things that he used to always kind of stress on. And I personally had the privilege to study under him, and I've seen all of that with my own eyes. I've felt it, and he has had a huge impact, not just in my life, but in the lives of all the students that he had taught. And I'm sure that we can make it out from the flowers that we're seeing here, the wreaths that we're seeing here, the students who went to receive his mortal remains yesterday from Guwahati airport, the kind of people who are here today from different parts of the state, from different parts of the country are here today to pay their respects to him. I think this reflects on the kind of impact that he had on the students that he had taught. And as I said, and most of them remember him not just as a teacher, but as a very good friend. I remember, spending a lot of time with him, especially before classes started. I don't know why or whatever the reason was, but somehow I used to sometimes come a bit early, like maybe 15 minutes, 30 minutes early before class started. And he would be there preparing for the class. And we would be the only two people there. So those are times actually, a lot of talks and discussions used to take place. And then, he used to explain so many things to me even that time. And he used to tell me that, it's a very good thing that you are always ahead of time. It's a very good thing that you have come early to class. So it stuck in my mind. And even till today, as I was mentioning earlier, that it's become a habit in one way that I, most of the time, do come on time for programs also, even in politics and even governance. And, it's because of the kind of things that he taught me during that time. So it's a simple example of how he has impacted my life.
Dasu, as many of you know, was my brother. To all of you here, to his students, Shillong and the Irish Christian Brothers, this was his family. To me, Dasu, like for all of you all, has been my guiding light. He's always nudged me to be a better version of myself every day. While I miss him, I know he will be up there making sure his legacy lives on. He was dedicated with life, where he wanted to go and belong. As a young 17-year-old, he left his mum, dad and his family to go and join them and to do good and to make an impact on the world. Shillong is his home. The people of Shillong is his family. There's nothing more I can say other than that.
The student jongi brother Steve D'Souza katangi Champang Khongla the ngarung la the student jongi the class teacher jonga kuliah class 10 ne Ti brother D'Souza ngi khodiet dasu. Idi no hikai ba ro jabing ba haki subject ki babon ha. Pi ong haka subject science ne haki social subjects inang no tek kijing patai kijing hikai jung iru kilong kijing patai ki pasuk haingi bagin kenmau. Ki subject maths kenmau ki formulas. Kijing hikai jung iru perlong ba yengiru kumki kena ki ba dunaru tek kila ban kenmau. Idai no hikai ru bi ba bai yarap iki kena ban perkiu sheneng. Kamtam iki kam duna haka jing grand English. Bikin mau bahangi shit don ki extra classes jong i shit khat gi step mai si kai gi kumno bagin kai bangin tho ki simple compositions ki simple letters ado mantaro ngina kirmausa ki kuno ki kai jugi te iru istala ki pot temru gawi ka jing khlan i de I nang haban tam ki dramatics ki shit ki creation week and ki the concerts mai shit direct ma iru I direct I produce ma I and mangi kum ki kena we are one of the cast members tegiru ila hikai ngi to bagino ngin yo confidence no bangin kren no bangin dry perong brave ngi hado mata bagi yang ki keja jungi because I opportunity ngi bangin stand hamat ka stage bangin face you ki brave ba te haki sports ru berkiu ba yengi kai ka sports ba I imustran bimdang naka lawn tennis naka football basketball athletics isberkiu ba ki kena I will see by baro lakin mau ba hay Shillong ba kini ki katang kini ki odor hak ki walls kini ki toppers timle ka ba important do ka balong important do kadai kumno philong man brio kumangi ong hane admins kadai ka kam le tang khtin wong deeds not words te hadu man tak ni kum student ju ba brother D'Souza mi kin mau ba kadai sha ka kam khtin hadin deeds not words tang kini ki khtin ni ai kan mau hi brother D'Souza jeni litsuk brother D'Souza ni kan mau HP and ke phila hikai ngi kan shong kurum hado anot ba boro ki student jong pi ki ba man shwa hikai ma pi hado man taru kublish